So there are so many people who don't want to install and configure the NS3 because it seems very complex to them. But you don't need to worry about it right now. You just need your NSA scripts, your NSA C++ script, and you don't need to configure NS3 on your machine, on your any virtual machine, because now there is one tool available in the market which is called Web NS3. It is very revolutionary tool, and I hope you will use this tool once you get the idea about what Web NS3 is capable of. So in this video we are going to brainstorm about Web NS3. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So recently we had a talk, industry talk 2. The topic of the talk was the Web NS3, a cloud-based network simulation as a service platform. And this talk was taken by the founder of Network Simulation Solutions LLC. So the founder named Jingzhu, which is very helpful person, very knowledgeable person actually. So we had a chance to get to had an interaction with this guy. So this Jingzhu, he himself took the founder of this Network Simulation Solution LLC. He himself took the session about Web NS3. He told everything about Web NS3, how we can use it. He also presented some of the demos and all the things about Web NS3 and how much good this tool is. So the recording of this video is available on the NS3 official website, and also I have a video regarding this on my YouTube channel. You just need to search Henil Mistry and you will find this video. So the thumbnail of this video is here, you can see on the screen. And let me tell you this, the disclaimer before we start this video. So this video is just for the educational purpose. So the resources that are used in this video may be claimed by the copyright of this Network Simulation Solution LLC. All the images that I will be using in this video, they are just for the educational purposes and they will not be used for monetization purpose. And also this video is not part of the paid or unpaid promotions. So let's get started with this video. So for those who are not selected or who didn't had a chance to contribute through the G-Shock, so they can contribute their the contributions through NS3 Summer of Code. So that's the good news for those who missed the G-Shock. So I just thought to mention this here. So right now if you go on this website, which is ns3.netsimulations.com/catalog, so you'll be prompted to choose whatever NS3 code base that you want. So currently these are the options available. You can see there is no next and previous, and if you are a premium user, so this website has a subscription based model. Basically once you get into this website, you need to create an account, and creating your account is very easy. You just need to give an email. The temporary password will be saved, will be sent to your mail, and then you can just configure, you can just connect with the credential that is given to your mail, and you can change the password later on. Okay, so once you have the account created on this website, what you can do is you have a subscription model. Basically you will be given the free subscription model currently. So we have a basic plan currently available, and it doesn't have currently the expiration date, and currently it has a pro version available. So there are a few benefits of pro, and one of the benefits is this, if you go to catalog, so currently these are the only options available for the free plan. So these are the only versions of NS3 that you can choose. So although it has a basic the latest version NS3.45, but if you want to choose your custom model, or if you want to go for some specific NS3 model, then you have, for the pro users, you will have an option. So I can also show you this. So this is the pro version. So pro version, it will have an option. So basically you can use the git URL, so which URL you want to use, and everything you can configure over here. Now once you choose this, so currently we have NS3.45 selected, you can go for the start. So once you come on the start page, you can upload your file over here. So let's say you have some file, you have some script. So you can upload from here, or you can choose to go for any of the example scenarios that are given here. Okay, and there will be a guide set up for NS3 wizard coming soon on this website. Okay, that is the main thing that you need to know. And now let's say you want to simulate some you want to run some of the files, so you can choose to upload this file. You can just give the task test tcp2, let's say, because I have already test tcp file named already. So this is my file. Basically you don't need to worry about the file. Basically it's a tcp congestion change file, so it will observe the what are the congestion window change that is happening for the tcp version that is given. So this is the file. Okay, now you can create new simulation file from this file itself, or you can choose to save. You can edit this file from your code editor itself. Let's say anything, you can write any code changes that you want to do, and you can hit the save button. Now you can specify what are the number of runs that you want to do for this file, and for every run you can specify the runtime arguments. Let's say you are taking some runtime arguments over here from the file, so that you can also specify. And parameter sweep, so let's say you want to run this file for several times, let's say 5 times. So every time you can change what are the parameters that you want to give: start, end, and step. So these are the configurations that you want to let's say you want to do. Currently we are not configuring any of the runtime and arguments because we don't have any. So we are just going to say that we want to run this file once. So number of runs, we will say 1, and we can try run simulation. Okay, so currently it says server is busy, please wait and try again. So we can go to dashboard. So you see I have 2 simulations waiting for waiting to run because the server is busy. But I have few examples that I have tried before making this video, so I can show that to you. So first is test p2p. So this is very very basic NS3 file which just tests the p2p connection. So it has this file. So first is XML file, so that I have generated to observe this animation inside the NetAnim, and second is terminal output. So for every run you will have this terminal output, and you can see the similar way if you had configured this NS3 in your virtual machine, that same thing, that same output that you observe there, you will be observing here. So everything you can see, scratch output, everything that you see over here, say you were there, that you will observe over here. Okay, and let's say you have several other files, so all the files that are generated by your simulation, that will be shown over here, right? So that is the beauty of this thing. You don't need to configure, everything is available for you just by this web URL. Now post-processing task, you have the Jupyter Lab option. So Jupyter Lab, you will just need to give the file and how you want to process those files. So basically you want to create some graph, that all the things post-processing you can do using this Jupyter Lab, that is also inbuilt using this web interface. You can take help basically how to get started with this NS3 that you can do over here. So that's it for this demo. And simulate certain scripts on the Web NS3. We have this URL routing simulations where all the routing simulation will be. Currently we have RIP and static, but soon we are going to have for OSPF and BGP and everything. Then we have something called NS3 simulations, where you will find tons of simulation that I have already script for. You can just take the script and explore how Web NS3 is working for it. And one of that tool that I was telling you, this is the tool Web NS3 GUI helper, which will help you to auto generate your NS3 scripts. Currently it is just supporting the basic script generation, but yeah, you can have a look at it. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you have got the idea about Web NS3, and I will take some time to explore this tool more, and I will plan to make more of the videos for Web NS3. So till then, stay tuned to the channel and subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. And yeah, that's it for this video. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.